plant environment. Cgoodsaws manufacturing is located in high-tech industry zone, Jiangxi province. Occupying 1,000 square meters manufacturing area, we own more than 100 staff, with over 10 years experience. We has advanced equipments for making different sizes of bandsaw blade. We produce superior quality steel strip for making bandsaw blade. Production process. We have series of high-tech equipments on saw blade treatment, tooth punching, tooth setting, tooth hardening, rolling and welding. Technology ensures faster cutting, excellent shock resistance, and low production cost saw blade. We customize welding saw blade to any length or by coils as customers' requirements. All coils are light oiled, wrapped in plastic film and anti-rust paper. Big quantity coils or loops will be packed on iron pallets and wrapped in thick plastic package. After strict quality inspection, all packages will be prepared for shipment. Cutting application. Wood cutting saw blade is excellent choice for cutting all types of wood, such as hardwood or softwood. We help sawmills to find effective solutions in log cutting. Meat saw blades are made from high-quality steel. They have precision tooth profile designed for cutting meat and bone. We are available in any length, with popular width 13 mm, 16 mm, 19 mm. Metal saw blade is good for cutting hardwood or metal. All hard-tipped bandsaw blade is designed for long tool life and precision. Our team have been dedicating ourselves to expanding global markets and improving our products to higher level. With our efforts, Hongsheng grew in great success and reputation for supplying excellent quality bandsaw blade to numerous industries. For future, we will always striving to bring you a higher quality product and a more efficient cost for all of our products.